Good morning, students. Today we are studying the chapter Internal Reconstruction, and this is the 60th session. In this, we are selecting one 5 marks question and 15 marks problem. So, first of all, here the problem number 1, that is for 5 marks. Lata and Company Limited suffered heavy losses. A scheme of reconstruction was adopted on the following terms. In cancellation of 80,000 old equity shares of rupees 10 each, the new shares were issued where new equity shares of rupees 10 each to the extent of 4 by 8 of old shares and 4% preference shares of rupees 10 each to the extent of 3 by 8 of old shares. For the purpose of internal reconstruction, credit balance of general reserve is rupees 20,000 and profit and loss account of rupees 10,000 were also applied. The amounts available were to be utilized to write off goodwill 80,000 and also reduce the value of furniture by 15,000 and debtors by rupees 30,000. And here we have to pass journal entries. So according to the problem here, first of all we have to calculate the capital reduction amount by preparing capital reduction. So this capital reduction account shows the amount collected from the sources, that is from equity shareholders and reserve and profit and loss. So here the amount collected from equity share capital, reserve and profit is shown on credit side. Here in this problem, from equity share capital we are getting 1 lakh, reserves and surplus 20,000 and profit and loss account 10,000. So totally here the total capital reduction amount is 1,30,000. So this 1,30,000 amount is utilized to write off goodwill 80,000, furniture 15,000 and reduced balance of debtors 30,000, and the balance amount after paying all the losses, the 5,000 is transferred to capital reserve account. Here if any balance remains after the writing of all the losses, such amount is transferred to capital reserve account. Here after preparation of capital reduction account we have to pass the journal entries. So here journal entries are, first of all we have to pass journal entry for the amount collection made from the shareholders. Here first we will see the amount collected from the share capital, that is equity share capital and preference share capital. Here the old shares are 80,000 at the rate of rupees 10 per share, that is total capital is 8 lakh. And from that, from 80,000 shares, 4 by 8 of equity shares, that means almost 40,000 shares of rupees 10 each are issued as new shares, and it is shown here 2 new equity shares 4 lakh and preference shares, that is 80,000, from 80,000 3 by 8 means 30,000 shares at rupees 10 each, that is 3 lakh. And now after issuing new shares, the total share capital is 7 lakh and the balance, there is a balance of 1 lakh. Such balance is sacrifice amount from the share capitals. So such amount is transferred to capital reduction account. For that we have transferred here, we are passed a journal entry, that equity share capital to new equity shares 4 lakh, preference shares 3 lakh and to capital reduction account 1 lakh. So same way here there was a credit balance of general reserve account rupees 20,000. Such amount is also transferred to capital reduction account, and profit and loss account credit balance 10,000. It is also transferred to capital reduction account by passing journal entry profit and loss account debtor to capital reduction account. Now after collecting all amount, that is capital reduction amount, from total capital reduction amount we have to write off goodwill 80,000, furniture 15,000, debtors 30,000. After paying all these losses there is a balance of rupees 5,000 and such balance is transferred to capital reserve account. So this is the 5 marks question about the internal reconstruction. So here scheme of reconstruction we have seen, that is there are old 80,000 shares and from that 4 by 8 as issued as new shares, and 80,000 shares from that 3 by 8 preference shares were issued, and after issuing new shares, the total capital was 7 lakh, but the old capital was 8 lakh. So balance of rupees 1 lakh is transferred to capital reduction account, and reserve account and P&L account. From that we have calculated capital reduction amount, and the same capital reduction amount is utilized for the payment of losses. So like this we have solved 5 marks question. So now we will move to 15 marks question on internal reconstruction. Here one question is selected, that is, it is a statement of assets and liabilities of Datta Limited as on 31/3/2016. So here equity and liability is given, that is shareholders fund, that is share capital is 1 lakh 16 lakh, and reserve and surplus is 3 lakh 48,000, and current liabilities under this node 3 short term borrowing is given 70,000, trade payables 80,000. So total liabilities 14 lakh 2,000. Same way assets, fixed assets 10 lakh 60,000, inventories 1 lakh 40,000, trade receivables 2 lakh, and cash is 2,000. So separate notes are given. So first we will see the notes. So according to notes, it says that there are 16,000 equity shares of rupees 50,000 each fully paid, and the amount is 8 lakh. 16,000 8% preference shares of rupees 50 each fully paid 8 lakh, that is face value of shares are 50 and 50. So here the total share capital is 16 lakh, and reserve and supply includes profit and loss by debit balance, that is 2 lakh 48,000, and preliminary expenses 1 lakh. So total reserves and surplus is 3 lakh 48,000. Next, short term borrowings, that is bank overdraft 70,000, trade payables sundry creditors 80,000, tangible assets leasehold 9 lakh, and plant 1 lakh 60,000. So total tangible assets were 10 lakh 60,000. Inventories stock 1 lakh 40,000, trade receivables, that is sundry debtors 2 lakh, and cash balance is 2,000. So like these notes are given. For every note the explanations are given here. So next, after notes there are some informations are given. So how the reconstruction scheme is undertaken here. So due to heavy loss, the company decided upon the following scheme of reconstruction. The preference shares were to be reduced to value of rupees 30 each, and equity share also reduced to the value of 30 each. Means here the face value of equity share is 50 and the face value of preference share is 50. So here the 50 is reduced to 30, means balance 20 per share is sacrificing by the equity shares and preference shareholders. Next, the balance available was to be used to write off debit balance of profit and loss account 40,000 from stock, the full amount of preliminary expenses account. A provision of rupees 60,000 was to be made against sundry debtors. The leasehold premises were to be reduced by 1,32,000, and the plant and account to be reduced to rupees 1 lakh. So here we have to require to pass journal entries and preparing the statement of assets and liabilities after the internal reconstruction. According to the given information, here first of all we have to calculate the total capital reduction amount collected. So such amount is shown in capital reduction account credit side. So by equity share capital we are getting 3,20,000, and by preference share capital 3,20,000. Here by equity share capital is 3,20,000. Here there are 16,000 shares and the old face value of share is 50. So 16,000 into 50 means we have seen in the note that equity share capital was 8 lakh and the preference share capital was 8 lakh and the total capital was 16 lakh. But here after the reconstruction, here the equity shareholders are sacrificing rupees 20 per share, means 16,000 shares at rupees 20 means 3,20,000, and preference shares 16,000 shares at rupees 20 per share means 3,20,000. So totally we are getting 6,40,000 as total capital reduction amount. So now such amount is utilized to write off all the losses. So here on debit side we have shown the losses which are written off. So first one, profit and loss 2,48,000 and preliminary expenses 1 lakh, stock rupees 40,000, leasehold 1,32,000, plant 60,000 and provision for doubtful debt 60,000. So totally like this we have utilized 6,40,000 full amount, that is capital reduction amount. So now we have to pass the journal entries. So first of all, the first journal entry is the sacrifice made by the preference shareholders. So here as per the problem, the face value of share was 50, but after internal reconstruction the face value is reduced by 20 rupees, means it is reduced to 30 rupees. So here balance is 20 rupees. So 16,000 shares are there, and at rupees 20 per share means the preference shares are sacrificing 3,20,000. Same equity shareholders also 16,000 shares and they are sacrificing rupees 20 per share means 3,20,000. So after the sacrifices made by the equity shareholders and preference shareholders, we are getting 6,40,000 as capital reduction amount, and such amount is utilized as writing off to profit and loss account 2,48,000, preliminary expenses 1 lakh, stock 40,000, provision for doubtful debts 60,000, leasehold 1,32,000 and to plant 60,000. Like this we have utilized the full 6,40,000 for paying off all the losses. Now after internal reconstruction and after payment of all the losses, now we have to prepare revised statement of assets and liabilities. Now after the internal reconstruction, scheme of internal reconstruction, here the share capital is totally reduced to 9,60,000. It was 16 lakh in the problem, but now it is reduced to 9,60,000. It is explained in note 1. Here in note 1, 16,000, now after reconstruction 16,000 equity shares of rupees 30 each is fully paid because 20 rupees is sacrificed by the equity shareholders. So now equity share capital is 4,80,000 and 16,000 preference shares of rupees 30 each. Here also 20 rupees sacrificed by the preference shareholders and the capital is 4,80,000. So now according to note 1, the share capital is 9,60,000. Second, short-term borrowings 70,000, there is no change, and trade payables 80,000, there is also no change. Now the revised liability is 11,10,000. So same way fixed assets were reduced. Here fixed assets were reduced. Leasehold 7,68,000 and plant 1 lakh means it is 8,68,000 and stock reduced by 40,000. So now it is 1 lakh and sundry debtors is also reduced by 60,000, that is PDD, and cash balance is 2,000. Like this, here the revised statement of assets and liability is prepared after the reconstruction. Now the new balance of liability is 11,10,000 and asset balance is 11,10,000. Like this we have to prepare the revised statement of assets and liabilities after reconstruction. Thank you.